Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and safe with your families against COVID-19. Okay, I will start doing a weekly video about some problems and those problems related to data, of course. We take some of data sets from any resources and try to understand what's the problem and give as well as some feedbacks. Okay, today's our datasets is an imaginary datasets to a bank operate in the UK. So we will try to understand how banks care about their customers. So especially these videos is for those who work at banks owners. Um, Especially for example when we talk about my country in Algeria, uh, banks and those work in such field, they don't care really about customers or they don't understand customers. So this study is hopefully can help them to start in like give value to the data and because data is like can help you to understand your customer. For example, in Algeria, many of the sectors are working with papers, so hopefully they will start using digitalization to get more performance. For example, when we talk about banks, we always have not good services because they don't understand us, and maybe if they start to care about data, and that's what I will do in this video, maybe it's gonna be changed and we can move on to another level. So hopefully this video can help or can give a message to our sectors in Algeria to start caring about data. So yeah, that's it, and let's start just see what's going on. Okay, as we see here, this dashboards or this story. Okay, as we see here, this is the UK. This is the map of UK. We see the regions are England, Northern Ireland, Scotland and Wales. So this is England here with 2,159 worker. We have Scotland with 1,124 workers as well as Wales and etc. Okay, so well, what we will do now, we will try to understand how our customers or what our customers, what people we are deal with. Okay, first of all, let's see this chart here. We have the distribution by bonds, our customers, how much money our customers had, and as we see here, and this is just I'm just taking an overview of what's going on. Okay, this is the distribution by age, what's our customers' age, and also we have the gender, which more our customers are females or males, so and which are but what our customers work, like we have white collar customers, blue collar, and this green here it means other customers, other kinds of customers. Okay, let's now get deeper and like trying to analyze every region itself and see what's the feedback and what we can understand from our data. Okay, first of all, let's go, for example, to England. So, in England, as we see in the chart, let's change it a little bit. Maybe, okay, maybe this is suitable. As we see, about 30% of our customers has balance from 0 to 20k euro. So it's very interesting point. Most of our customers we are dealing with, they don't have balance or they have maximum balance about 20k. So we need to care about this point and send it or report it to the boss to consider it as a main one of the main points. So yeah, and distribution by age, as we see here. Okay, our customers are in England. We deal with customers from their early 13 to their 14s. So the age between 30 and 40. So also it's yeah, because when you start maybe when you start doing promotion, you need to consider that your customers are in the range of 30 to 40, so it's also you can consider it as a point. And when we talk about gender here, um, we can say that there is an equivalent between female and males. We have females with pink and males with blue, so we can say that there is an equivalence here. And in England, the job classification, we have that this is also a main point. The majority of workers are white collar. White collar means that those worker with educational background, those worker work in the office, in administrative staffs, engineering. So those with high salaries and those with how we say with high salaries and with educational background, those with graduated from college, university. So yeah, and also we have others about 15% and blue collar. Blue collar means those work like how we say like manual labor and those staffs. Yeah, as we see in the picture, those people. Okay, so let's now do some filtration. For example, if we filtrate by males, okay, we see that because of males and females are equal, so we don't see such a difference. It's still the same. We still the ages from 13 to 14, and the majority are from 0 to 20K. So, okay, if we go back again to our distribution by balance, we can find that the chart is breakdown till 100K or 140K. So the more our customers with the less balance, we have more customers with less balance, and when the balance goes up, we start in like only few customers we have. So what we can understand from England, first of all, we have the majority, we have about 2,000 workers, and the customers are, there is an equivalent between male and females. So when you start doing like advertising or doing promotion, you need to consider that. The first thing, you need to take care about women's and males as well, because they are like equivalents in England. Secondly, we can also take in the age. Of course, they are from 30 to 40. They are not younger and they are not that old, so you can do some promotion that fit those people with the age from 30 to 40. And also we have white collar, so people with educational background and with high salaries, you can provide to them I don't know, some services. It's depend on the decision of the boss of the bank. So but these points that we are talking, it can help him to make a decision. So you see how it's work with data. We analyze it and we get the main point that make a difference, and then we can make a report to the boss or to those who are responsible for those things, and they can make the service better. They are understanding their customers. So that's it. Okay. So the main point, as I did in the caption, England mostly represented by white collar workers. So the majority of workers are white collar with 78%. So yeah. Okay, this is for England. Let's now move on to Scotland. Scotland have 1,124 worker, and okay, let's try to change a little bit. Okay, okay. Our customers, yeah, it's the same idea but yeah, maybe here. It's there is some differences between England and Scotland. We see here we start with the fewless customers with no balance or with a few balance, and it goes up to like about I don't know, about 17% maybe, and it's break down till 140. But it's we can say that there is we can report this point that maybe our customers, or yeah, it's the difference from England, so we can report this to the boss. They can do something about this kind or this range of customers. Okay, so let's go back, and yeah, the distribution by age. Look, in England we have our customers are ranged between 30 and 40 years. So, but it's not the case in Scotland. What we have is our customers are from their early 14 to, look, when it's 15, like high representation customers in their early 50s. You see, so we need to report this point because it's unique, and yeah, it's a main point. So it's the difference between England and Scotland. We need to report this point. We have more customers in the age of, we have 15s, in their early 15s. And another thing in Scotland we can realize is, look at the gender. We have here equivalent between genders. We can say that equivalence, but it's not the case when we talk about Scotland. We have 72%. The majority is males, and they are the majority of workers. They are blue collar, so those people who do manual labor. So yeah, this is also main point. Our customers are in their early from 40 to 50s, and the gender of our customers are with the majority of 72%. So when we start doing some services and to Scotland, or some promotion or advertising, we need to care a lot about males because they are with the majority of 72%. And look, if we select males here, we see that the males are the most of people with the age of 50s are males. So we need also to consider that, first of all, as I said, more when we do promotion, in Scotland we are talking to this kind of people, those with age of 15 and males, because the majority are males. So we need to consider this is also as a main point about the analysis of Scotland in our report. So okay, that's it for Scotland, and let's move on to Wales. As we see here, there is a little bit different. It's above, as I write in here, it's above average representation, because look at those, it's looks similar. Okay, it's always breakdown till, and also the same when we talk about Ireland, it's breakdown, but it's not the case in Wales. It's starting by few balance, and but the majority of the workers has balance from 15 to 45. So we need to consider this is also as a main point because it's not the same. And if we see the age, yeah, it's similar to England. Those people from 13 to early 14. And the gender, yeah, we can say that it's look like England in statistics either, but not the case in the balance. They have balance from 15 to 45k. So, and the job classification, we have the majority with fee. We have about 60% our customers are working as a white collar works. So what we need to report in this case, we need to report that there is a difference when we say about the balance. We start by few balance, but the majority of our workers have balance between 15 to 45k euro. And our customers are, yeah, it's not the same. There is nothing different. There is no difference. It's look like the others. So the main point is that we need to report here is this appearing chart here. So our customers are from 15 to 45. Okay, that's it for well, and let's now check yeah, now let's check Northern Ireland. Okay, Northern Ireland, as we see here, I just need to delete it. Okay. So the majority in North Ireland, those people with balance from 0 to can say from 0 to 20k, and the majority of workers, it's not the same. No, it's the inverse. The majority of workers in Northern Ireland are females, you see, and they are from 20 to their 30s. So it's a younger population. Look, we have a younger population. In Wales, they are ranging from 20 to their early 30. So we have and the kind of the jobs, it's the majority of other. It's not administrative or white collar work, and it's not manual labor like blue collar works, but it's other works. You have other different works, and because they are younger people, maybe they are work just in restaurant, just part-time jobs, because they are students. So maybe they are under risk. So because they are younger, they need an insurance, they need other stuff. So we need to also report this point. When we start doing promotion or advertising, we can care about these points. We have when we talk about Northern Ireland, we have younger people, they maybe need an insurance. We need to take also in consideration that the most of our workers in Northern Ireland are females. So this is also, and the jobs are other jobs like part-time jobs or any kind of jobs. So this is main points. Yeah, this was just a simple analysis. I just did it, so hopefully it's understandable, and hopefully, especially in my country, hopefully banks owners start doing data analysis and try to understand their customers. Because, for example, if you say that, oh no, Algerian people don't care about like investing in banks or something, but maybe you are using you don't understand your customers. Maybe your customers said that we are Muslims and we can't work with your services because you use riba, for example. So you need to change the system from riba to something halal in Islam, for example, Sayrufa Islamiyya maybe, and you start to understand your customers and give them better services, and they start also, after that they start using your services because you care about them and you care about what they need. This is the important point. So data analysis, it's very interesting, and it's really one of the main area, or one of the main rules in business, especially because if you can't understand your customer will choose another product or another service. So that's the point. Hopefully this video will or can help you a little bit. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time, and let's meet in another problem or another visualization next week, inshallah. Till then, enjoy. See you.